What if the first undeniable proof of life beyond Earth didn't come from a far-off galaxy, but from the star system just beyond our own? Imagine this. Our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, only 4.25 light-years away, may hold the key to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we truly alone in the universe? Not long ago, the James Webb Space Telescope, the most advanced observatory humanity has ever built, turned its gaze toward Proxima Centauri b, a rocky planet orbiting this small red dwarf star. What it saw stunned astronomers. Against the cold backdrop of deep space, Webb detected faint yet distinct patterns of light shimmering on the night side of the planet. These glimmers weren't like starlight or natural reflection. They carried a striking resemblance to artificial illumination, the kind of glow we see from cities on Earth when viewed from orbit. For decades, scientists have imagined what it would be like to detect clear signs of extraterrestrial life. Radio telescopes listened for signals. Probes scanned for chemical traces. Yet silence reigned. Now, for the first time, instead of hearing, we may be seeing something extraordinary. Could these flickering lights really be the energy signature of an advanced civilization? To understand why this discovery is so compelling, we need to explore the nature of Proxima Centauri b. The planet orbits within the star's so-called habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist. That makes it one of the most promising places to search for life beyond our solar system. But this promise comes with danger. Unlike our stable Sun, Proxima Centauri is a volatile red dwarf star. It unleashes violent solar flares capable of stripping away a planet's atmosphere and bombarding its surface with deadly radiation. Proxima Centauri b also hugs its star tightly, orbiting at a distance far closer than Mercury is to the Sun. The result is an environment of extremes: scorching heat on the star-facing side, freezing cold on the dark side, and constant exposure to stellar storms. For life to survive here, it would need to be incredibly resilient, or perhaps shielded by advanced technology. That's where the strange lights come in. If an intelligent species evolved on Proxima Centauri b, they may have developed ways to generate artificial illumination, either to adapt to the darkness of their world or to power vast technological systems. The James Webb Telescope is uniquely suited to test this possibility. Its infrared instruments can detect faint heat signatures and distinguish natural thermal radiation from unusual energy patterns. When Webb studied Proxima Centauri b, it recorded something that didn't fit the profile of a barren, rocky world. Instead, the light resembled organized patterns, a clue that perhaps energy was being harnessed in ways we've never before observed on an alien planet. Beyond light, Webb can also analyze atmospheres. As a planet passes in front of its star, some of the starlight filters through its atmosphere, leaving behind a chemical fingerprint. If Webb detects gases like oxygen, methane, or water vapor, it would strengthen the argument that life could thrive there. And if those mysterious lights persist across multiple observations, the possibility of an advanced civilization would no longer seem like fantasy, but a scientific question demanding answers. David Kipping, an astronomer at Columbia University, has pointed out that Proxima Centauri b already stands out as unusual. Its heating patterns don't behave like those of other rocky planets. The way it interacts with its star seems to defy expectations. Add the strange glow on its night side, and the puzzle deepens. Are we witnessing something natural we simply don't yet understand, or the unmistakable footprint of intelligence? What makes this so thrilling is the proximity of Proxima Centauri. At just over 4 light-years, it is the closest star system to us. In cosmic terms, it's right next door. If intelligent life exists there, it wouldn't just be a distant curiosity. It would mean that life may be common across the galaxy, and that we are not a rare exception. Beyond the glow of mysterious lights, the James Webb Space Telescope has another extraordinary ability: It can study the very air of distant planets. When an exoplanet passes in front of its star, a small fraction of starlight filters through its atmosphere before reaching us. That light carries a chemical signature, a kind of cosmic fingerprint. By analyzing it, Webb can reveal which gases are present. If Webb were to find oxygen, methane, or water vapor, it would be a monumental step forward. Oxygen, on Earth, is largely a product of life. Methane, in combination with oxygen, is difficult to sustain without biological activity. Water vapor suggests the possibility of oceans or clouds. Each of these alone is fascinating. Together, they would form one of the strongest cases yet for habitability beyond our solar system. And then, there are the lights. If these strange patterns of brightness on Proxima Centauri b continue to appear across repeated observations, they cannot be dismissed as simple noise in the data. Instead, they will demand serious consideration. Could we be witnessing energy use, artificial illumination, on a scale visible across interstellar space? That question transforms speculation into science. David Kipping, an astronomer at Columbia University, has described Proxima Centauri b as a world full of puzzles. Its heating patterns, how it absorbs, distributes, and releases energy, are unlike any other rocky planet we've studied. Its interaction with its parent star, Proxima Centauri, doesn't fit our models. Now add to that the possibility of unnatural brightness on its dark side, and the enigma deepens further. Something is happening there that challenges our understanding. The question is whether that something is geology, atmosphere, or technology. What makes this discovery even more electrifying is proximity. Proxima Centauri is just over 4 light-years away. In cosmic terms, it's right around the corner. If intelligent beings truly exist there, then life in the universe is not rare, it's common. Finding intelligence so close to Earth would strongly suggest that civilizations may be scattered throughout the galaxy, perhaps numbering in the millions. But science demands caution. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. The lights could be explained in other ways: atmospheric scattering, volcanic activity, or exotic processes we do not yet comprehend. They may not be cities at all. Yet the very fact that our instruments can even raise this possibility marks a new era. For the first time in history, humanity has the tools to not only imagine alien civilizations, but to seek evidence of them directly. And this is only the beginning. The James Webb Space Telescope is the vanguard, but it will soon be joined by even more powerful instruments. The extremely large telescope, under construction in the mountains of Chile, will give us sharper views of exoplanets and the ability to study their atmospheres in greater detail. In the 2030s, next-generation space observatories will take us further still, with direct imaging capable of mapping continents, oceans, and weather systems on alien worlds. Together, these instruments will transform astronomy from a science of distant lights into a science of living worlds. We will not just detect planets, we will characterize them. We will not just search for habitability, we will look for signs of life itself. The potential discovery at Proxima Centauri b is more than just a scientific observation. It is a turning point in human history. For thousands of years, we have gazed at the stars, wondering if someone else might be looking back. Now, with every new telescope, we edge closer to an answer. If those mysterious lights truly are the product of intelligence, then the universe may already be speaking to us. Somewhere, just a few light-years away, another civilization could be thriving, building, and perhaps even searching for us in return. They might look up at their night sky, see our sun as a faint star, and wonder, are we alone? The irony is profound. Two species, separated by interstellar distance, possibly asking the same question at the same time. And so, the lights on Proxima Centauri b remain one of the greatest cosmic riddles of our time. Whether they are natural or artificial, they demand investigation. Because if they are real, if they truly represent the presence of intelligence beyond Earth, then they will change not only science, but philosophy, culture, and the very way humanity understands its place in the cosmos. The mystery continues. The search goes on. And the universe, silent for so long, may finally be ready to answer.